United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 247, Marine scientific research projects undertaken by or under the auspices of international organizations. A coastal state, which is a member of or has a bilateral agreement with an international organization, and in whose exclusive economic zone, or on whose continental shelf that organization wants to carry out a marine scientific research project, directly or under its auspices, shall be deemed to have authorized the project to be carried out in conformity with the agreed specifications, if that state approved the detailed project when the decision was made by the organization for the undertaking of the project, or is willing to participate in it, and has not expressed any objection within 4 months of notification of the project by the organization to the coastal state.